Now see, power of analysis. What did I say last week? That it has achieved the bottom and possibly achieving the same levels again. It may retrace and we can see a bullish momentum. See, it went till towards 6.2, 6.25 levels. What a profitable trade it has been. I hope you all profited trading NG. Now see, it has seen the highs, retraced again, but at least we are sure that it has seen the bottom. Double bottom is done and it is failing to sustain below 5.3 levels. Now what to expect next week? Is this the bottom it has achieved and it is going to reverse from there, or we can again expect a drop? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing my daily analysis, daily trading levels, which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. Also in that analysis I do share my analysis on WTI crude oil also. So yes, you will be missing on this. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and keep yourself updated with the latest analysis. Now let's have a look at the charts for NG. First we look into charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading strategy. So do watch till the end. Now see, NG has achieved this bottom here 5.3 levels, and this is the second time it is attempting to break this. Now this is the series of red candles, and after this it has achieved these levels. So let's consider this as base. But before that, see the observation there. Look at these two candles and look at these two candles. Strikingly similar levels, strikingly similar formation. Look at these two candles and look at these two candles. Mostly similar or same. You can find out previous candle was also here too, was a sharp breakout, though at lower levels, and yes, achieving the same levels here. So yes, whether to consider this as bottom and can we expect a similar formation? Yes, you can. Now see the formation. If you see this, possibly taking the support here at 5.5 at max, it can again try to reverse, and yes, there is a gap which needs to be filled here on NG. This gap probably may get filled, which is precisely at around 6.7, 6.8 levels, which is also a very good resistance level. And see, this time also it tried to bridge this gap and then the bullish formation had sustains. So possibly this is an indication forming the bottom out there. Also look at the long-term perspective. This is the very good support level here. And yes, since then it has seen this rise. This is an expanding triangle. So again, possibly this has formed the bottom formation and it is looking forward to a rise. Possibly you can see NG climbing up there and we can see further highs, and this time in fact it can try to achieve higher highs also. That is also very much possible. Now this is on the weekly charts. Also on the weekly charts, another observation here is, see, it has been trading in this channel and it has been trading in this expanding channel here. You can find out higher highs, higher lows, indicating that the bullishness is there in NG and it is going to remain for a little while. Now let's have a look at the day. On the daily chart, this was the consolidation zone between 6.5 to 6.7, and this is going to remain a very important support zone for NG, very important resistance zone for NG. Any move beyond 7, consider that it is going to show you a breakout, and we are looking at 7.8, 8.4 levels, and beyond that it is going to fly high again. On the daily charts, you will find out lower highs are seen here on the daily charts, and hence you have to remain cautious till towards 6.2. Breaking beyond 6.2, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to 6.6 levels and 6.7 levels. It is going to fill the gap. Now another observation here is forming the double bottom. Yes, it is trying to trade in this channel, and possibly only if it breaks below this zone at 5.6 or 5.5, you can consider that this is going to give you a bearish break, and then it may try to achieve 5.3. Below that it may continue with the bearish momentum. Why? Because see, look at the near term charts, and in the near term, see this is the highs out there, and hence you have to wait for it to sustain beyond $6 levels, and if it does, certainly you can expect that the bullishness has resumed. 6.6, 6.7 as the next target, $7 as the next, and beyond that it is going to fly. At the same time, breaking below 5.5, you can expect that it is going to break. So for this half a dollar, 5.5 to 6.1, 6.2, you can expect that it is going to still trade or consolidate a bit before it tries to decide a direction, because this is going to be crucial week, or in fact how it behaves in this zone and which direction it gives a breakout will decide the direction for the NG for next few days. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle also. On the monthly charts, similar is the observation. Now see this lower highs, but yes, lower lows, but yes, still there is a possibility for it to achieve this zone and achieve these levels at 5.2, 5.1. This can be the complete formation here, where achieving the lows and achieving the highs, the pivot there could be considered somewhere here at around $7 levels, and possibly we may see a swing around those levels. But right now it is trying to create almost a bottom out there and trying to reverse from here. We will see where it closes this month, and we will see how it behaves next month, because see, one bigger bullish candle, second bearish candle, second red candle, and then if it continues to drop below 5.2, you can expect that the third red candle, which is going to be an extremely bearish candle, which may appear. We have to remain cautious till towards $5 levels, breaking below which certainly 4.4, 5 and $4.2 levels to be seen by next month. Hence you have to remain cautious there. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you will find out this is the resistance zone, 20 period moving average at around 6.25, 6.3 levels. Certainly if it breaks 6.25, 6.3 level, consider it bullish, and then it may continue with the bullish momentum there. Look, there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 period moving average, and now the 100 period moving average is trading above 50 period moving average and trading with a divergence indicating the near term bearishness. First, I will wait and see, already there is a divergence with the 20 period moving average. So yes, I will wait for it to cross over and sustain above 6.3, and then you can expect 6.7 and 7. From there, the reversal confirmation can be expected. Till the time it trades below, possibly we have to wait and watch a little. Directional movement, again diverging, again bearish here. Stochastic is at high, looking downwards, possibility of drop also cannot be denied. But look at the MACD, this is trading flat, this is trading bullish. I'll wait for it to cross over on the daily charts and sustain the bearish momentum, else a little drop till towards 5.5, 5.6 cannot be considered as bearish move. It can bounce back from those levels, be careful. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the weekly charts out there, now look at the weekly charts, lower highs are seen here. 50 period moving average giving it a resistance at 6.2, 6.3, breaking above it, certainly you can expect 6.7 and $7 levels, which are going to be very strong resistance zone. At the same time here, look at the convergence here between the 50 and 20 period moving average indicating near term bearishness. I'll wait for it to cross over. Till the time it continues to trade in bullishness, it can continue to trade bullish. It may start to again diverge from here and indicate or trade in the bullish zone. Now look at the MACD, the directional movement has crossed over. This is a bearish indication on the weekly charts, and this crossover has happened after long here, and after almost 2 years it has crossed over. Let's see if it sustains this. The stochastic is trading in an oversold zone, and whenever it is traded in an oversold zone, it has tried to recover, and hence the recovery here cannot be denied. The MACD here trading extremely bearish. It has seen the highs, and probably now is the time for it to converge is seen. See, previously also it has achieved this, reversed higher highs, sustained this, now it again achieved these levels, possibility time for it to again cross over. It may try to consolidate a bit and then move upwards. RSI has almost seen the bottom there, probably looking upwards from here. Now this is on the weekly charts also. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, you can again see taking the support from the 20 months average. It has bounced back from here, and hence it is going to remain a stronger support. The directional movement after being long, trying to converge here and waiting for a crossover. RSI looking, stochastic looking downwards. MACD on the monthly charts is on the verge of a crossover. Let's see if it sustains the bearish momentum here, else we can see a reversal and then it can again continue to drop from there. The RSI looking downwards. So yes, still there is a probability for it to achieve the highs of what the levels what we had seen here. Yes, it can again diverge from here, again continue to trade bullish. There is a probability exists, and then achieving the highs may drop from there. So be cautious, be careful. Right now it is trying to converge. I will wait for it to cross over. Once it gives a crossover on the monthly charts, it may sustain the bearish momentum. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to decide the strategy for next week, and time for us to define the levels where you can buy and where you can sell. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying right trades, right exits, right entries at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Missing out this batch will definitely, you will be delaying the profits for 1 month. So learning is something which you should invest first. First you should take a degree and then only you should apply for a job. That is what the criteria is, and that is why it is required for you to earn a degree, for you to learn first. Trading stock markets are no different, hence learn first, then you can become the master of this. So join my mentorship batch. This is going to be a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily live webinars, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals provided, definitely you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to support the effort out there on YouTube, you can either become a patron or use super thanks here on YouTube. So let's start. First, let's have a look at the levels to buy, and I will recommend you to buy next week. If you see NG trading above 5.84 levels, beyond this 5.88, 5.92 levels to be seen, and if it breaks this, certainly you can expect $6 levels there next time, possibly trading above 6.02, rather I will say beyond 6.02, you can expect that we are looking at 6.18 and 6.25. So first key resistance zone here is for next week at around 6, then the next is at this zone. Yes, you can remain long if it tries to trade above this. Certainly beyond that, you are looking forward to a very strong rise. Then we can expect 6.5, 6.6 and 6.7. These are the three targets. Possibly it may try to attempt and achieve these levels. These are going to be the key resistance zone and key targets here. There is a gap available. It may try to fill this gap. Achieving these levels, yes, these are markets. It can reverse. It can show you a good swing. It can drop or crash strongly from those levels. That is also very much possible. If it has to swing, it can swing it strongly, achieving these levels, and hence you have to remain cautious. That is one part to it. Now next part, where to sell. So till 6.7, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, because these swings cannot be denied there. Now on the downside, where to sell. So yes, you can sell there at 5. Let me write down a bit. 5.75, below which 5.7, 5.6. Remember, 5.6 is going to be a key support level, and 5.7 is going to be, these two levels are, if are taken, you can expect more bearishness to be seen, and below this you can expect, we are looking forward to 5.55, 5.5 and 5.4. Now see, every cent there is a support 5.3, but I am going to give you the key resistance level. 5.6 is first, 5.5 and 5.4. Every 0.1 cent there is a resistance available, and hence you have to be cautious of this, and 5.3 is anyways double bottom. Below that we may see 5.2, 5, and if it breaks below 5. Now these levels are applicable also for the whole month of November. If you see it trading below this zone at 5.6, 5.5, certainly you can expect 5.3, 5.2, and if it breaks below 5.2, it is going to crash strongly on the downside. We may see it achieving 5, and then below that is also on the downside. Very much possible that it can continue to trade bearish from there. But what to do? We cannot avoid the swings anyways. You cannot avoid the market to take a move. Yes, we can expect that there is a possibility of slightly bullish bias, but hence till the time, only if it trades above 5.3, 5.2 levels, then only you can consider that there is going to be a bullish bias. Else it may breach below 5, and then you can expect, we are looking forward to 4.6, 4.4, 4.2 levels in the coming weeks and months, and hence you have to trade with caution. On the monthly chart, see, there are mixed indication, and hence you have to trade with caution. You have to trade with a trailing stop loss. You have to trade with a stop loss and avoid taking a position till the time it trades below $7 levels. So try to avoid keeping a positional trade for long. That is, if you have taken a forward looking contract for December expiry, you have to avoid this till the time it trades below 7 levels. Above 7, certainly you can expect that even if it every drop is a buying opportunity. If it breaches 7 once, every drop is a buying opportunity, and then you can remain long, and you can expect 8, 8.4, 9 and $10 levels also in next couple of months. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, become a part of my pattern group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.